Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. You've been seeing my vlogs about how I've been going through the injustice that's happening with me with this Mahindra XUV 500 when the dealership sold me a car which was damaged, and I've been running around to get the documentation done. I've made a couple of videos. You can watch that for more information on that, and how I'm going through the process of getting myself justice and documentation about going to consumer court. There's a separate video that is there out there for that as well from my end, which I'll be posting in a short period of time. So this video is mainly about the second service of my Mahindra XUV 500 W9 automatic variant. This is a 2020 registered car but manufactured in 2019 and registered in 2020, so it falls under the category of cars which are in 2019. I totally understand that I bought a car which was manufactured in 2019 in 2020. I've seen a lot of comments, why did you buy such a car and this stuff. I got a very good deal, so I bought it, but the deal went wrong with the dealer trying to cheat me, which he's finally caught, and probably I will get a replacement or at least some back of my money which I paid to him because of what he has done with the car before delivering it to me. So let's get into the details of the second service. So the second service of this car happens at 5,000 kilometers for the 2019 versions, but for 2020 versions it will be at 10,000 kilometers. There's only 3 free service for 2020 versions, but for 2019 there are 4 free services. One is at 1,000 kilometers, the other is at 5,000 kilometers, next is at 10,000 kilometers, then at 20,000 kilometers. So let's go into the details of what is the process and how you go about it to get your car serviced at Mahindra. So firstly, just to book your service appointment, you need to go to the With You Hamesha app that is available on Android as well as Apple Play Store. You need to download that and register yourself. So this is the app With You Hamesha. Let me open up my dashboard. So this looks something like this, and there's a section wherein there's you can view a history. So once you get into the app, there's a button called schedule. Hope you can see that. So there's a button called schedule, and if you click on that, and you can schedule a service appointment, and you will get a list of all the Mahindra service stations that are available within your nearest and as well as in the whole of India, and you will need to choose your nearest service dealer so that the time taken is less. So I chose one which is very close to my place, and there's also pickup and drop service free for the XUV. I'm not sure about other Mahindra cars. So you get for all the free services, you get free pickup and drop services. After that, you will be charged a nominal amount. Is that what I got to know? Once you book an appointment through this app, the person from the showroom will call you to fix what time the driver will be sent to pick the car, and then once the car is picked, they will note everything down while the person is picking the car. Then the service advisor will call you to take down the list of queries that they have. So for my second free service, I've not made a video of the first free service because I was busy with something else and I just missed that. So let's move on to the next one. So let me show you the invoice details and everything, and what all they have done with the car. And once the service advisor calls you, they will ask you for details of what all needs to be done on the car. So I've noted few issues which all I had experience with the car. For example, I had a little issue with this bumper. I hope you can see this. This is shaking. This is tingling. That was not right. So I asked them to fix it. They said that is a bit broken and there's a very minute clip that is there and that cannot be fixed. So I was fine with that because it is something that is broken from my end and it cannot be fixed. They asked me to replace the whole bumper, which I was not ready to do. So I let that go. Next was there's an underneath shield for the engine bay that needed a little fixing, because some of the screws or fixtures that were there are not holding properly and they had fallen down, or they had not been fixed properly during the last service. I'm not sure. So that was needed to be fixed. Third was I felt that the alignment of the car was not proper, meaning the alignment of the steering was not proper. It was pulling towards the left. So I asked them to do a wheel alignment. After speaking with the service advisor, that is what I was advised. Then there's one big hiccup with the car, which is the sunroof makes a thud kind of a noise, like a small cracker kind of bursting when I try to open it. Let me show it to you guys. That has not been resolved yet. I've been working on that during my first service also. I asked them and they said that is because it's not been used. But I've been using it quite frequently now. Still, it has not been fixed. That was the other issue. Next, there was an oil change that was required. As per the service manual, you need to change your oil at every 5,000 kilometers. So for the first service, then it is at every 20,000 kilometers. So got that done. So that was a mandatory thing. And the AC filter change is not advised at 5,000 kilometers. That is at 10,000 kilometers. So going about that, so let me show you what is the grand total that I have received. So it costed me around, hope you can see this, it is around 2,906 rupees. So the breakup is 420 rupees for the wheel alignment. Hopefully they didn't do a 420 job there. But I have not driven the car. I think it's driven around only 1 kilometer after it was dropped off at my place by the driver. The 6 liters of oil costs around 1,900 rupees. So that is a semi-synthetic, and this car is a oil guzzler and needs 6 liters of oil to be put into its engine. So that's it. That's the only cost, and the other is Maxi windshield washer automation. So they, I think, filled up the windshield washer as well because it was low. Other than that, there was nothing much done on the car. So these were the things that I had asked them to do. But there are two things that are still broken and they are not able to fix. Or this one, there's one that is about the sunroof, which they are not able to fix from 2 services. They say that this is how it works on all Mahindras. I'm not sure. Then if this is the way it works, I think probably Mahindra should stop giving the option of sunroofs in their cars, because this is not at all pleasant. It adds up to a lot of noise and irritation, and also sometimes it's scary. The other thing is the wipers are already screwed up. They make a big amount of screeching noise when I turn them on, and they did not check that and report to me as well, because I have not used it much and I have not used it in the rainy weather, so I did not know. But then when I gave it for service also, they didn't check. Now I just turned it on because there was a lot of dust and it made a lot of screeching noise. So very bad thing from the service advisor. Let's just turn on the car now. The car is totally driven around 5,364 kilometers. Let me turn off the radio. Hope you can see this. Just listen to the noise, guys, when I try to open the sunroof here. Look at that. Did you hear that noise? Let me show it to you guys again and just see the kind of vibration that happens here at the rear end of the car when I open the sunroof. My god, this is so scary sometimes. I have never seen this happen in any other cars. And also let me show you how neatly they worked on the sunroof, that they didn't even clean this part of the sunroof at all. Look at that. How good is the service? Just look at how good this service or the cleaning of the car is. It has not been even driven around 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers from when the car has been serviced. It has just been bought back by the service driver. Look at how good the alloys have been cleaned. Look at that. Just look at this. How good is the cleaning of the car? Here is another example of that here as well. Reason that they give for this is they say they do not have water wash. That is why they cannot clean it thoroughly. But then if they do not have that option, then they should not say that we will service the car. They should say, just blindly say that we cannot service the car. They say that we will do a dry wash. Look at the dry wash that has been done on the car. So well, I am like literally awestruck by this amount of cleaning that has been done on the car. If they are saying this is done because if it's a free service, I think they are charging us during the buying of the car also for this all this free service. It is not something that they are giving really at free of cost. They should actually fix all this. And you saw the sunroof, and just one more thing that you can see on the sunroof here. Just look at this. This is a car that has been serviced 1 week ago and driven around 15 kilometers just from the showroom to my place, and from my place to this place where I'm shooting my video around 1 kilometers far. And this is the condition of the car. So very good, Mahindra. Keep up the good service that you have been doing, and people will stop buying your cars again. However good the product is, because your after sales service is so good that the sunroof makes a crackling noise. I don't need crackers for this Diwali. I can just open up the sunroof, and the amount of good cleaning that you have done is wonderful. Great Mahindra. Keep up the good work. And also I've just seen this. Just see this, how well the bumper has been fitted. I'm not sure if this will come off if I go for a long drive in a place where there are no roads, because this is a car where I wanted to take in bad roads. Just see this. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. All the clamps are coming out. Look at this. Look at the clamps. This bumper is going to fall off anytime. I'm not sure when, but it is going to fall off. Then I will have to call the RSA to help me out and fix this. So this is the kind of service you get on a Mahindra in your free service. And the total cost of this was free service was around 2,900 rupees, out of which I think 2,500 was for the oil and other consumables, which is from my end. And the next one was around 420 rupees for the wheel alignment, which was an extra thing that I asked for, because the wheel alignment was not proper. That should have been actually done before it was delivered to me, the car, because I've driven around 5,000 and on city roads I'm not sure I screwed up the wheel alignment. So what do you think about Mahindra service? Up or down? I think it is going down, and Mahindra will be out of the game soon in such a way. Guys, I missed this one thing. Look at this. I'm trying to open. I have to just pull it out. I'm not sure when this thing will also break, because I have to put so much pressure. I'm trying to open this, it's not opening. I have to like literally pull it and then it opens up. Thank you, Mahindra.